I'm going to cover the steps to install a GaraMat containment mat. I marked where the garage door sits on the floor for reference. When positioning the mat, it should extend just past the front and back of the car. Clean the garage floor well. Use a degreaser if needed where the four corners will be. Lay out the mat. Mark the floor around the four corners. Open the hook and loop fasteners labeled for the garage floor. Lift up the corner of the mat and mark 2 inches inside the marks you made. Place the floor fastener on the marks and draw around the fastener. Remove the fastener and clean the outlined area on the floor with an alcohol pad. Repeat the steps for the other 3 corners. When the alcohol evaporates and the floor is dry, remove the backing from the floor fastener and press it firmly onto the floor. Repeat for the other 3 corners. Remove the fasteners for the bottom of the mat. Mark the bottom corner of the mat 2 inches back from each side. Position the mat fastener on the marks and draw around the fastener. Clean the marked area for the fastener with an alcohol pad. Repeat for the other 3 corners. When the alcohol has evaporated and the mat is dry, remove the backing from the mat fastener and press it firmly onto the marked area of the mat. Repeat for the other 3 corners. Line up the corner of the mat to the mark on the floor for the corner and press the fasteners together. Repeat for the other 3 corners. Drive your vehicle onto the mat and position it so the mat extends past the front and back of your vehicle. Put the wheel stops against the tires. Measure the distance from the front line and adjust the position of the wheel stops so they're equal distance from the front line. Mark the locations for the wheel stops. Clean off the area with an alcohol pad and allow the alcohol to evaporate. Pull off the backing on the wheel stops and press them onto the mat.